Cover the Nike Vomero Plus sale, Caldera Brown, Black and Pecan, a runner's essential that blends premium comfort with standout style. This model elevates daily road running with its full-length ZoomX foam, delivering soft, responsive cushioning that energizes every step. Its engineered mesh upper features layered textures, subtle transparency, and warm pecan accents that create a rich, three-dimensional look. Deep burgundy laces add bold contrast, while the durable black outsole ensures stability on long-distance runs. The smooth mix of sail and brown tones brings a calming yet dynamic feel, symbolizing effortless forward motion. Designed for runners who want both performance and aesthetic appeal, the Vomero Plus transforms simple jogs into enjoyable, grounded experiences. Whether pushing your pace or taking a break, this shoe combines airflow, balance, and style for a natural, flowing ride. Perfect for viewers searching for Nike running shoes, ZoomX cushioning, and 2025 sneaker highlights.